In this short tutorial, I show you where you can find help when you're trying to set up a questionnaire or an experiment in PsyToolkit. There are various ways to do that. The first place to start, I would say, is just reading the online documentation. If you go there, you can read about how to program experiments, how to set up surveys, and so on. The second place where I probably would go is to look at the library of experiments and questionnaires. There are many examples that give you an idea of how to program things. Often it is easiest to learn from looking at examples on how things are done and, for example, copy code and modify it. Now, if you're logging into your own PsyToolkit account and you're setting up an experiment or a survey, then there are various places where you can find help. First of all, there is a direct help link here, so if you click on that, you see there are various ways to find help. If you have a problem that you really cannot solve, you can file a problem that you have with the software and say what your issue is. Of course, you can also send me an email. Further, when you are programming an experiment, say, let's see, I'm going here on my Stroop experiment, you can click the scripting syntax help. Then you get a direct link in a separate browser tab about all the commands that you have in the scripting language. It's similar for surveys. Surveys have their own scripting language. Again, you can click on the scripting help tab. It opens up and it explains how everything works. Then also throughout the website there are blue question marks that you can click to get help about the function that you're actually looking at that point. There are many blue question marks throughout the website, as you, for example, see here. The idea is that gives you direct help about the issue that you are trying to understand. So finally, I should again mention the main web page. If you go to the main website, don't forget that there are these libraries of experiments and questionnaires, and learning from examples is, I think, one of the most effective ways on how to work with PsyToolkit.